In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Notion finance tracker. Whether you're managing personal finances or a business budget, Notion can be a powerful tool to help you keep everything organized and accessible. Let's dive into it step by step so you can get started right away. First, you'll want to head over to the Notion website. This is where we'll set up our finance tracker. If you don't have a Notion account yet, you'll need to create one, but if you do, go ahead and click on the Login button. Once you're on the login page, you'll see several options for logging in. We're going to use Google for a quick and easy sign-in, so click on the Google button. After clicking Google, you'll be directed to a page where you choose your Google account. Pick the account you want to use with Notion. This will connect your Notion workspace with your Google account, making access straightforward and seamless. Once you're logged in, you'll reach your Notion dashboard. Next up, let's locate Notion AI. This feature is going to assist us in creating our finance tracker. Click on Notion AI and you'll find an interactive panel where you can command Notion to help you design specific templates. Simply type in "Generate a finance tracker for," followed by the specific business name you want. Notion AI will work its magic to generate a customized finance tracker tailored for the business you specified. Shortly after you've given the command, the newly created finance tracker will appear in the left side panel of your Notion workspace. Click on it to open and view your new finance tracker. This tracker will consist of various fields and rows that are ready for customization and data entry. Now the fun part is personalizing this template to fit your unique financial needs. Feel free to edit the values by clicking directly on the fields. You can adjust any properties or structures that are relevant to your financial situation. Perhaps you'll want to add new categories, delete unnecessary ones, or sort the data differently. It's all up to you. Notion is incredibly flexible, which is ideal when it comes to managing finances because no two people's or businesses' needs are exactly alike. You can continue to modify your finance tracker as your financial situations or business needs evolve over time. That's it. You've now set up a functional finance tracker in Notion using the power of Notion AI. Remember, the more you use and customize it, the more it will become an indispensable part of your financial management toolkit. Thanks for joining me today, and happy tracking.